If you're tired of your tomato plants struggling to produce even a single fruit, this simple trick will have them growing like crazy. And it costs just $1.50. I'm going to show you how to use baking soda to unlock a bountiful tomato harvest. But why baking soda? You may be wondering. Well, let me explain. Tomatoes, like all plants, need a slightly acidic soil to thrive. However, if the soil becomes too acidic, their growth can be stunted and they may not produce any tomatoes at all. This is where baking soda comes to the rescue. As a gardener, I've discovered that sprinkling baking soda around my tomato plants is a game changer when it comes to boosting their growth and yield. But how does it work? Well, baking soda is a natural substance that can help neutralize the acidity in your soil. By doing so, it creates the perfect environment for your tomato plants to flourish. Not only does it make the soil more hospitable for tomatoes, but it also acts as a natural pest repellent, keeping harmful insects and other pests away from your plants. In addition, using baking soda improves nutrient absorption. When the soil pH is balanced, plants can absorb essential nutrients more easily, leading to stronger growth and better yields. This is because the roots of the plant can breathe more easily and access important minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for healthy plant growth. Now let's talk about the benefits of using baking soda for your tomato plants. First and foremost, it improves root development when the soil is properly balanced with baking soda. Tomato plants develop stronger root systems. This is because the roots are able to absorb oxygen, water, and nutrients more efficiently, leading to overall healthier growth. Additionally, the balanced soil helps prevent fungal diseases that can harm the roots, allowing them to grow and spread freely. Another benefit of using baking soda is that it can actually help prevent weeds from growing. Weeds compete with your tomato plants for nutrients and can easily take over your garden if not properly managed. By keeping the soil pH balanced, baking soda helps create an environment where weeds have a harder time growing, giving your tomato plants the best chance to thrive. So if you want to improve the growth and yield of your tomato plants, I highly recommend giving this simple trick a try. All you need is some baking soda and a few basic gardening tools. Just sprinkle the baking soda around your tomato plants and watch them grow like crazy. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes, and it costs just $1.50. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. And happy gardening!